How to use phone camera as webcam. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can use your phone camera as webcam. Now this can be used for streaming and for just using as a webcam only as well. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release our new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. First step, what you'll need to do is install an app for your uh, mobile phone. So open up your Google Play Store and search for a companion app such as Webcam or Webcam. So after you search that, you can then download this. So if you use this OBS camera, you can integrate it to your OBS on your laptop or PC as well. So tap on install and install the app. After your app has been installed, you can then link it with your computer using USB cable or Wi-Fi. So open this up and tap on continue. You can read all of that. And there you can see you can get started. So you can choose anyone. Let's head over to continue. You can read all of those and give it permission. And after you've done all that, you can then use your Wi-Fi or USB as I said earlier. Now using a USB is much more reliable for a professional setup. So you can configure it to your OBS on your streaming software and then add a video capture device after you've connected your phone and computer. Then you can adjust the setting as you'd like and you're good to go. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.